7. Laws of sines. For the given example, we have the right triangle. We've given the data with the angle 30 and we have the size 2 and we try to solve for x. So given 30, to solve this we have to use the trig function sine theta, because if this is theta, on 2 is the opposite, on the x is the hypotenuse, and sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. And later on we can solve it, and remember we know the theta already is 30, sine 30 equal to 2 over hypotenuse, and sine 30 is 0.5. And to solve this, we have to use 2 divided by 0.5 equals to hypotenuse. And the result, hypotenuse equal to 4. Okay, since we are talking about law of sine today, so this one is just a review from the previously how we used the 6 trig function to solve the right triangle. But right now, what happens if we don't have the right triangle, such as the example number 1 here? We have 110 degree and we have 32 degree, and obviously this one is not gonna be 90 degree because all they add up will be equal to 180. However, this one is, as long as we prove that this is not the right triangle, we are no longer using the trig function to solve it. We cannot apply the sine, cosine, tangent. The only way to do it is by law of sine or law of cosine. But today we will start with law of sine. Law of sine, the formula is here. Is sine A. The A stand for capital A stand for the angle over the A, lowercase a, which is stand for the side, equal to sine B over B, equal to sine C over C. So you can think of it's just a ratio between the angle and the corresponding side. First of all, as always, try to come up with a table and then label them angle, size. And we have angle capital A, B, C, and this is stand for angle. And with size, lowercase a, B, C. For angle the A, capital A, is right here. It's not given, but however we can find it by 180 subtract 110 subtract 32, since all the inner angle of the right triangle add up to 180, and that gives us the result of 38. 38 plus 32 plus 110 equal to 180. So after that, angle B, we know is 110. And angle C is 32. For size A, we know is 39. Size B, we don't know, and size C, we don't know. Seems like the question is try to solve for the unknown size, which is B and C. So to do this, just always remember we have the laws of sine. So with this, we always need to look for the combo, right? Sine A over A equals sine B over B. So first of all, find the combo that has the size, also have the angles given. In this case, we only have angle A right here, because size and angle, they both given. So we can use the ratio, which just mean that sine A over sine A. Sine A angle is 38 over the size 39. that's equal to sine B over sine B. But sine B here, the angle is 110, while the size we don't know is B. This is good because we now have this is known, this is known, this is known. The only unknown is B. So we can solve the unknown size. One of the method we can do is by cross multiply. Sine, let me change the color. Sine 38 multiplied by B equal to sine 110 multiplied by 38. And then before you simplify this, let's just divide by sine 38 both sides. Sine 38 is a fraction, but I just don't want to deal with the, it's a decimal. I just don't want to deal with a bunch of decimal. So this here cancel out, and now we have B equal to, okay, now we have to work a little bit math here. In the meantime, I just computed the sine 110 equal to decimal 0.9397 multiplied by 39 divided by sine 30 is equal to 0.6156. Of course, the decimal continue. And this, if we multiply and divide, we have the final result 57.5. This is approximately around there. So we find out B, 57.5. But we are not finished. We have C. But now the good thing is we know combination of angle A and the size A, combination of B, B. So for the C, you can use either one. We can use sine A again over A equal to sine C over C. Or we can even use sine B, the one we just find, over B equal to sine C over C. So for convenience, let's just stick to the first one. The combo of size and angle. Sine A is sine 38 over 39. C, for the degree, the angle C is, okay, 32 degree. So sine 32 over the size of C. And we are trying to solve C here. Again, we can also apply cross multiply. Cross multiply right here is sine 38 multiplied by C equal to sine 32 multiplied by 39. And later on, you have to divide by sine 38 both sides. This cancel out. We have C equal to, if you plug in everything here in the calculator, it should work, but make sure there's a parenthesis here, parenthesis here. The final result should be 33.56. And that's the size of C. So the key for using law of sine is, as long as you have a combo of, such as we have a combo here with the angle A with the size A, so I can use that to find the combo of C, angles C and size C, and I still can use the AA to find B. So it's always the combination